Let me give you a simple idea that can change your entire real estate career. You don't need more leads, you need more relationships. Because people don't do business with strangers, they do business with those that they know, like, and trust. And the question is not, how do I get more leads? The question is, how do I systematically build a relationship portfolio? Because your CRM is not just a database, it's a portfolio of people, real, living, breathing people. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to load it. Here's where most agents get it wrong. They sit around, waiting, wishing, hoping someone shows up. But success is not something you wait for. Success is something you build. And your relationship portfolio is built, one name at a time, with intention. So let's make this simple. There are 4 tiers to building your database. And if you'll follow this step by step, you will never run out of people to talk to again. Let's start with what I call low-hanging fruit. This is not difficult, it's not complicated, it's just work. And here's the key. You go one by one, no shortcuts. First, your cell phone contacts. Go through them one by one and ask yourself a simple question. If I saw them at the grocery store, would they recognize me? If the answer is yes, they belong in your CRM. I play a game with new agents that I consult. I say, open your phone. Then I pull out a pair of dice and I have them roll the dice. Whatever the total is, I have them count down their contacts list alphabetically to that number. Okay, so you rolled number 9. 9th person. Is that person in your CRM marketing system? If not, I make them defend it. Why not? So you're saying that if they called you for real estate help, you wouldn't help them? You should probably add them. There, of course, are a few exceptions. If they're an ex of yours and you wouldn't help them for all the commissions in the world, it's okay not to add them. If they're a real estate agent already, it's okay not to add them. Next, after you've gone through your cell phone, scroll through your social media friends, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. You don't always need more followers. You need to organize the ones you have. Same rule applies. If they'd recognize you at the grocery store, add them. Then group directories, church, clubs, networking groups, anywhere you're already connected. You're more connected than you think. You just haven't organized it. Most agents are starving while sitting on a full pantry. Okay, let's move to tier 2. This is where it gets interesting. These are the people that you forgot, but they didn't necessarily forget you. Teachers and professors. Go look them up. Some believed in you, some didn't. Either way, they're likely to remember you. And sometimes the ones who doubted you, they make the best calls. Yearbooks, high school, college, flip through it. If there's even a chance they'd recognize you, add them. Then consider joining networking groups. And here's the strategy. Don't just attend. Be the unofficial greeter. If you remember what it felt like to be nervous on day 1 of that group, then be the one that makes the new person feel less anxious. Shake hands, learn names, make people feel seen. That's how relationships start. Now, birthdays. Go back to your last birthday on social media, and everyone who said happy birthday to you, that's a signal. They raised their hand. Add them. Now we move into creation. Tier 3 is about meeting new people on purpose. And here's the key phrase you must learn. Would it be okay if I? Would it be okay if I sent you that? Would it be okay if I added you to my mailing list? See, professionals ask. Amateurs assume. Then you anchor the relationship. You send a note card immediately. I enjoyed visiting with you about. Because the fortune is in the follow-up. So other simple strategies that you can use. Open houses, meet people, immediate follow-up. Door knocking in your neighborhood, immediate follow-up. Partnering with local businesses, trade shows, sponsoring local teams. And here's a powerful one. If someone engages with your content, they're raising their hand. Don't ignore raised hands. Add them. Tier 4. This is where you stop chasing and start attracting. Host workshops, client appreciation events, block parties, community events, neighborhood activities. Let me give you a phrase that pays. We host a few events each year. Can I add you to the invite list? I've added so many people with just that phrase. It's simple, natural, professional. You're not begging, you're inviting. And here's the magic. When people bring friends, your world expands. Let's talk about something practical, because I know what some of you are thinking. How do I get their address? Simple. You ask. I'm sending Christmas cards. What's your address? I'm hosting an event. Can I send you an invite? I've got something helpful for homeowners. Where should I send it? Listen carefully. People are not offended by value. They're offended by pressure. So don't pressure. Provide value. Now, let me address the fear. I don't want to beg my friends for business. Good. Then don't beg. Instead, serve them so well they feel obliged to help you. That's called the law of reciprocity. You bring value consistently, and over time, the harvest comes. Let me leave you with this. Your future income is hidden inside your current relationships, but only if you organize them, nurture them, and grow them. So here's your assignment. Start with tier one name at a time, no shortcuts, because success is not built in a day, it is built daily. And if you build your relationship portfolio the right way, you won't have to chase business. Business will start chasing you. I wish you success.